Monopoly Empire, how to play. The rules are the same as regular Monopoly except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The object of the game is to be the first player to fill your tower to the top. Each player starts the game with $1,000. Shuffle the Empire cards and place them here. Give each player a tower, which is placed in the inside corners of the board. Put the 22 billboard tiles on the brand spaces they match around the board. Put the 8 utility tokens on their matching spaces. Place the 6 office tiles next to the board. Each player takes 2 Empire cards and secretly looks at them. If you roll this sneaky swapper, then, instead of moving, you may switch the topmost billboard in one player's tower with the topmost in any other player's tower, including your own. If you don't want to do this, or can't, then ignore the die and take your turn as normal. When you pass go, collect your current tower rank from the bank as indicated by the lowest number visible. Don't own any billboards, then collect 50 money instead. Properties are replaced by brands, and you buy billboards of those brands instead of title deeds. Billboard auctions start at 50 and increase in increments of 50. The price of a billboard is indicated on its space. When you purchase a billboard, place it face up in your tower at the next available lowest spot. If you land on a brand owned by another player, pay them the price as indicated by the value of their tower. When you collect all the billboards in a colored set, regardless of where they are in your tower, get an office tile for free and add it to your tower. You can also purchase office tiles on your turn for 500 each. When you land on a utility, you purchase only one billboard. You do not pay other players' rent when landing on a utility. If the utility ran out of billboards, then you do nothing. When you land on the rival tower tax, return the top billboard of another player's tower back to the board. When you land on tower tax, return the top billboard of your tower to the board. When you land on an Empire space, draw the top Empire card from the deck. Each card indicates when it can be played. When you play your card, return it to the bottom of the deck. When you land on free parking, you may either do nothing, or you may pay 100 to move to any space on the board. If you pass go, collect your tower's current value. Once you land on your new space, continue your turn as normal. You may not move to the free parking space, nor pass go multiple times. The price for getting out of jail is 100, but if you don't roll doubles after 3 turns, then the price is only 50. If you can't afford to pay something in full, then keep the cash you do have and pay the bank or player using the topmost billboard you own. If you don't have a billboard, then do nothing. You are still in the game. The first player to stack billboards to the top of their tower wins.